Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm super excited to show you the Little Favorites by Rea unboxing of the first part of the Christmas sale, the first box that I've got of the Christmas sale cakes that I ordered. Now you're gonna see why. She is my favorite gradient cake lady of all the gradient cake ladies. One, because she's like the most awesome chick in the world, and two, because she is amazing at color combos. Every single cake that I buy that's a gradient cake, I get from her and ship it over from Germany because it really is worth it. She's the best. Support her business just like I do. She is like the best lady in the world. If there ever were somewhere that you should support for small business when it comes to yarn besides me, it would be Andrea, the owner of Little Favorites by Rea. She's awesome. She's been doing this for almost 2 years now full time, and she is just hitting it hard. She's hitting it out of the park, guys. So first, I am a part of her yarn club. It's the only yarn club that I'm in because look at the cakes that you get. This is absolutely gorgeous. For, I believe it's $31 a month total. You get, you can pick between 3-ply and 4-ply. I'm a 3-ply kind of gal, so I always get the 3-ply. And you always get 1,300 meters, which I'll have to work that out, what that is in yards. But you get 1,300 meters 3-ply. This is the January cake. It's called Kaboom. Look at those amazing, vivid colors. It's 50% cotton, 50% acrylic, and she makes beautiful gradients. The way they work up is just amazing. All of my customers, when I make custom crochet items, they all want this yarn. So I make sure I stock up during the Christmas sale. So make sure that you go over to Little Favorites by Rea, Huge Obsession. It's a group on Facebook, and come play with us and order some yarn and make some stuff and have some fun with us because we have a lot of fun. So this is the January club cake, and with your club membership, you get your cake. You also get, she'll send you some tea and she'll send you some little goodies. My son always steals the gummy bears, and you'll get these cute little candles. Like this one, it has a pattern actually on it for making an angel. And then it usually has some type of saying on it. This one says, Merry Christmas from Little Favorites by Rea. I've got like, God, I have a huge collection, like 40, 50 of these, because I've got 40, 50, I probably have more than 40 or 50 cakes now, but I had a plan for them. I had a 5-year plan. Actually, I've been hoarding some of them because some of them are now going to be going up on my website now that I have huge stock and I can make the website look all nice with pretty colors and stuff. Obviously, some of these are mine and I'm hoarding them for moi, but I am going to share them with you guys, so don't worry. So yes, January club cake. Look at that color. Amazing. And now we're going to get into the ones that I got from the Christmas sale. So, you know, Blue Caraco, like the drink? Well, she made these cakes called Mango Caraco Cocktail. And I have the two inverted versions of the color. Amazing color. Again, beautiful, vibrant color. And again, we've got 1,250 meters 3-ply. And I got these on sale. You can get them on sale too. The April sale is coming. There is an Easter sale coming where you'll get the same kind of prices. So I suggest you go over, find Little Favorites by Rea on Facebook, and then find the group Little Favorites by Rea Huge Obsession, which I came up with the name Huge Obsession because I am obsessed. I'll do another video and show you every single cake I have, and you'll be like, whoa, this girl's nuts. But I do have a lot. But these are the Mango Caraco Cocktail. Again, beautiful, beautiful colors. Then we've got Winter Nights. If you love blue, this is for you. So beautiful blue color, beautiful blue gradient, dark gradient on the inside. It goes to a light blue on the outside. Always beautiful. 1250 meter 3-ply. And again, you can get, you can find her on Facebook and get in on these sales. You just have to be in the group and be on her page, like the page, and then you'll be notified of all this stuff because there is an Easter sale coming up soon. And then we've got the Snowflake, which has glitter in it. And that's also 1250 meter 3-ply. This is the Snowflake with the glitter in it. Another gradient, beautifully done by Rea. Like, how can you not get these? I sure can't. I need them all. And I think I have, like, most of them. This was one of my favorites. I'm surprised I don't have two. I could have sworn I ordered two. I guess I only ordered one. All right, so December 3rd was the Morbid Designs Hallucination. 1250 meter 3-ply again. And look at those colors. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at that bright, bright tone of green. It's just, oh, wait until you see some of these worked up. If you go on my page and you look at the gloves that I make, this is the yarn that I use. Or the dress that I made, the Aaliyah dress. I used the Snowflake to make that dress, but it was a different version. It was last year's version of the Snowflake. So I make a lot of stuff with this yarn, and it's always beautiful. The drape is beautiful. It always looks nice. And it's machine washable, which is the best part for customers who don't really want to deal with wool and hand wash and go through all that. This is 50% cotton, 50% acrylic. You can wash it in the washing machine. Just don't put it in the dryer. Lay flat to dry. This is the Snowy Fur. I've got two. And they go opposite ways. Again, 50% cotton, 50% acrylic, 1250 meter 3-ply. And again, vibrant, vibrant colors, beautiful color transitions. And this was one of my favorites, Pink Panther. I've got two 3-plies and a 4-ply, 1250 meter 3-plies. Yeah, these are my 1250 meter 3-plies right here. Again, beautiful, vibrant colors, beautiful color transitions, just gorgeous. And then this is the 4-ply, which is 1000 meters. Now, this one is my son's favorite, Stardust. I love it too. It's gorgeous. Beautiful gray to blue. Again, nice vibrant tones. 50% cotton, 50% acrylic. 1250 meter 3-ply. And these are all available. You can get them even though it's not the Christmas sale anymore. She will help you and she will make them for you if you want them. So just ask nicely and she will make them. But yeah, these are gorgeous, right? Look at those colors. That's going to be beautiful, whatever I make out of it. But I will be putting some of these up on my website. I will share with you. But some of them are mine. Well, most, no, some. Some of them are mine. I will share. And I have other stock that I've been saving up to put on my website. I actually have some up there right now, but I have more to add from last year's Christmas sale that I've been kind of hoarding to myself because I didn't know if I wanted to let them go, but I'm gonna put a few out there for you guys. So you can have a blasty blast and they'll ship right from America. I'm located in America, in Massachusetts. And this is a different version of what she had called the Flowing Lava Cake. This year it is called Pure Love, and it is pure love. Look at those colors. Again, beautiful colors, vibrant colors, beautiful transitions. 50% cotton, 50% acrylic, 1250 meter 3-plies. And then we have the single colors. I have Wicked Red, which is again 3-ply, 1250 meters. Goes from like a dark like it's black to a darker gray to a red, a nice like crimson red. It's very, very pretty. Always pretty. That's why I always go to her. And see that sheen to it too? It's got like a little bit of sheen to it. I love that. And the last cake, Girls Night Out, of this box. Anyways, I've got another box coming because this covered the 1st of December through the 12th of December. So I've still got a whole other box coming, but this is Girls Night Out, 1250 meter 3-ply, and it's got those gorgeous color transitions. This one's got like the multiple colors in each gradient round, so it's super cool. It's got the black throughout, so it goes the black and the purple, the black and the gray, and then the black and the pink, and I love those color transitions. They always look super, super cool. It's kind of like a gothic-y sort of a cake. So yeah, super cool yarn. Got 16 cakes here. 16! Because I'm nuts. And you can get your own. You just gotta find Little Favorites by Rea on Facebook. You can join the group again. Like I said, it's Little Favorites by Rea. Little Favorites is one word. Little Favorites, and then by Rea is 2 words. So Little Favorites, 1 word. And then, oh, there's no by Rea on there, but Little Favorites, 1 word, by Rea. And then Huge Obsession after that for the group. And that's when you'll be notified of the group sales, and you'll see she does lots of different things. But she has an April sale for Easter, and then she's got a sale for Christmas. She does auctions all the time. She sells, she's got a lot of new stock. She's got like these backpacks now that you can put your cake in and work out of that. She's got cake, like things that you put your cake in. It's like a cake bag, and you can work out of the bag. I also make yarn boxes that would like have a lid and stuff that keep it nice and safe, but she makes yarn bags that you can also buy. So that is it for the unboxing this time, and I will show you guys the next box when it comes. Thank you for stopping by.